Panuorin lang po natin ng mabuti to. Dapat ito po yung pinapanood ng mga taong bayan eh.
Madam Chair, I forgo the opportunity to defend the OPP 2200 for the right of question and answer. I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the please.
You have been giving the same answer for hours. The question is, may I know why? And her answer is no. Would that be the right answer to the question why? Medyo mahina yata ang tenga ni Vice President eh.
Next to interpret is Honorable Benny Abante.
Salamat po, Madam Chair. Sana po ay matapos na po ito para masimulan na po natin yung budget ng Ombudsman na po. But anyway, palagay ko po ay alam na po ng taong bayan ang mga nangyayari sapagkat karamihan po ng ating mga colleagues ay nagtanong na tungkol sa confidential fund. Pero gusto ko lang pong tanungin si Madam Vice President, if the representatives of the people, like this House, has all the right to scrutinize the budget of any agency. Madam Chair.
Madam Vice President. Madam Chair, is it a question? I think it's directed to the House.
No, I'm asking you the question, Madam Chair. I'm asking the question to the resource speaker if she believes that this House, being the representative of the people, has the right to scrutinize the budget of any agency.
Right, precisely. That's why I say I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the proposal as presented.
Excuse me, Madam Chair, that can only be answerable by yes or no.
We, again, Chair would like to remind our guests to please be responsive to the queries of the members in the most direct manner. So please proceed, Madam Vice President.
Ang tinatanong ni Abante,
Answer for by yes or no.
Perhaps may
ang tinatanong lang ni Congressman Abante kung may karapatan daw ba silang busisiin anumang budget sasangay ng gobyerno. Alam naman po ng Vice Presidente natin na ang sagot ay yes. Ewan ko bakit hindi po niya masagot. Bakit na hirap po siyang sagutin ito?
Yes, I'm not very clear. So I would like to find out if she answered yes.
Pakinggan po natin.
And I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the proposal as presented.
She has been answering the same answers since we started this query and this hearing. What I just want to ask, Madam Chair, is very simple. A simple answer of yes or no. Does the Madam Vice President believes that this House has all the right to scrutinize the budget of any agency? I'm not just referring to the agency of the Vice President. I am referring to every agency of government, Madam Chair. That can only be simply answered by yes or no. I do not need to hear the paulit-ulit na kasagutan niya. Kanina pa, gusto lang pong marinig. Hindi po ako nagagalit. Oo, hindi po katulad niya, parang inis na siya. Gusto ko lang pong malaman. Oo, humbly speaking, naniniwala ba siya, Madam Chair, na itong House na ito, na binoto ng tao, ay merong karapatan ayon sa konstitusyon na scrutinize natin ang budget ng any ahensya ng gobyerno, including Congress, Madam Chair.
Madam Vice President. Madam Chair, may I request the Secretariat to put on record cut and paste. I will forgo and I will leave my answer, my previous answer.
Madam Chair, I would just like to ask, why is it very hard for her to answer yes? I'd like to ask, why is it, Madam Vice President, why is it so hard for you to answer yes when you know that the answer should be yes? Why do you have to explain? Why do you have to explain? We're simple people here. I'm not even a lawyer. And you are a lawyer, Madam Chair. So, here's a simple question of a simple Filipino. Meron po bang karapatan ang House na ito na scrutinize ang budget ng bawat ahensya ng gobyerno? Yun lang po ang tanong ko. Pwede pong sagutin ito ng yes or no. Kung yes, salamat. Kung no, edi salamat din. At least nalaman ng taong bayan.
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, I will forgo the opportunity to defend the OBP 2200 for the question and answer. I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide whether please answer the question.
Point of order, Madam
Honorable
Chair.
Abante, you may proceed.
Bakit? Bakit kaya ayaw niya sagutin? Eh, alam naman na niya yung sagot na oo.
I do not need her to explain, please. You have been giving the same answer for hours. The same answer for hours. Alam ko naman po ang pagnanais nyo. Why you answer the same for hours? Ngayon po, iba naman ang tanong ko. Ang tanong ko ito, kaso ko tatanungin ko ulit, Madam Chair, meron po bang karapatan bilang mga representante ng taong bayan sa bawat distrito at party list na mag-scrutinize ng budget ng bawat ahensya ng gobyerno? Hindi po natin pinag-uusapan dito ang confidential fund. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin budget.
Madam Chair, before you answer, the gentleman wishes to have a direct answer, either yes or no. Are you going to provide a direct answer? Honorable Abante?
So, what is the answer?
I asked whether our Madam Vice President will provide a direct answer to your query, and the answer is no.
May I know why?
Madam Vice President? And her answer is no as well.
I don't think that would be the right answer. The question is, may I know why? And her answer is no. Would that be the right answer to the question why?
Madam Vice President, do you wish to comment?
Madam Chair, hindi dahil hindi nyo gusto
Ay,
yung mga
gusto.
sagot ko, hindi nyo gusto yung manner ng pagsagot ko, at hindi nyo gusto ang mga sinasabi ko, hindi ibig sabihin na
Madam Chair,
hindi kayo sinasagot
Madam Chair,
ang mga
point of
tanong.
order.
Yes, Honorable
Mali po
Abante.
yata ang sinasabi niya, hindi nyo gusto. Hindi yung nyo. Madam Chair, huwag niyong isali dito ang aking mga kasamahan dito. Ako
Tama na.
ang